we got a 1954 Ford F100 pickup truck. Looks like we're running AC and the heater and all other stuff in here, so you got full everything. And you got the dual master cylinder with the, I mean, it's all chrome and everything, but I mean, the truck didn't come like that. Dual master cylinder with power brakes and all that stuff, especially not dual master cylinder. So, automatic AC, power steering, everything, the 9 yards, whole 9 yards. You can drive this thing anywhere you want. It's got that classic faded out paint look, but you know, that's all high quality urethane with the catalyst, flat color, brown and black. It's made to look like it's worn, but it's not. It's in great shape. And you got a locking trunk here and a spare tire. This is a ride you can take anywhere. Gas filler up. Uses plenty of that. And again, it's got that eye on there for, you can see the traffic light above you. That's what that's for. Amazing.